Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you amazing recipe of vegetables with eggplant. So if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, what are we gonna need for this incredible recipe is olive oil. We are gonna use in total 3 tablespoons. Then we are gonna need 6 pieces of tomatoes. We have here small tomatoes, that's why I'm using 6 pieces. If you have bigger, then you can use less. We have 1 onion here, 2 medium-sized eggplants, then 5 small-sized green pepper, a little bit of dill. We are gonna need 2 glasses of still water. We are gonna need 2 chicken bouillons. We're gonna need also 7 pieces of garlic, 1 teaspoon of pepper paste, and of course our wonderful spices. So for spices here, I'm using, guys, dried vegetables, black pepper, red hot pepper, red sweet pepper, and salt. So guys, we're gonna start opening the fire on the highest level. We are gonna pour here 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Pour our onion, guys. It's chopped. Also, right away, I'm gonna add here our diced garlic. So guys, here I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of pepper paste and mix it up. We are gonna add here our pepper and our tomatoes. They're all chopped. Peppers are chopped in very tiny pieces. Add our spices, guys. Just mix them all well, and then just spread them out. We mix them up again. So guys, I have here 2 chicken bouillons and I just added boiled water here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it up, make sure that they're gonna be disappearing in here. We're gonna add it to our food. Once we've added it, guys, I'm gonna start placing our eggplants for your attention. In here, I'm gonna add 2 glasses of water. Just spread them all around. Again, just spread them around. We're gonna close the top of the pan. So guys, it has been 10 minutes and it was cooked on the highest level. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it up first with all the water, all the juice, so that all the eggplant goes in. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the fire on the lowest, and we are gonna cook for about 25 minutes more, like this. We are closing the top of the pan. So guys, it's ready now. I'm gonna close the fire. This is how it looks like. Yummy, yummy. I'm gonna add here dill. Dill has great smell and it's gonna add great taste additional to our eggplant vegetables. So what I do here, I will just mix it up so the dill will give all the taste. Guys, it smells so good. Enjoy your meal, guys, by our recipe, Call Us Humble Home. Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you to have a nice evening. Goodbye.